Welcome to the Billion-Year Recipe, the incredible journey of a simple rock becoming the lifeblood of our planet, topsoil. This story follows one heroic rock from the heart of a mountain to its ultimate destiny as fertile ground beneath your feet. Here's the incredible hook. It takes roughly 500 years for nature to create just 1 inch of usable soil. This is the true, slow-motion epic of how a massive mountain eventually becomes the very ground that sustains all plant life. Our story begins with the foundation, Act 1, the parent material. Meet our hero, a massive, solid piece of bedrock, also known as the parent material, just exposed to the harsh, unforgiving elements. This single rock is about to begin a monumental journey, a billion-year-long recipe for creating life. Next, we move to Act 2, the breakdown, where the forces of weathering begin their work. Physical weathering involves extreme temperature swings, causing the rock to expand when hot and contract when cold, until tiny cracks appear. When water seeps into those small cracks and freezes, it expands with incredible force, physically wedging the rock apart into smaller pieces. Then comes chemical weathering. Mildly acidic rainwater starts to dissolve the rock's internal minerals, slowly softening the hard stone. This chemical process transforms the stubborn, hard rock directly into fine, soft clay particles, ready for the next stage of the recipe. Act 3 introduces the spark of life, where biology steps in to accelerate the process. Tiny pioneer organisms, like lichens, are the first life to colonize the barren rock surface, preparing the ground for larger life forms. The lichens release natural organic acids that chemically powder the surface, mixing with the mineral particles to create the very first layer of true dirt. Finally, we reach Act 4, the mix, the creation of fertile topsoil. As plants grow and inevitably die, their organic matter begins to decompose, adding vital nutrients to the rock particles. Worms and countless microscopic organisms break down this dead material into dark, nutrient-rich organic matter called humus. This black, rich humus mixes with the tiny rock fragments, creating the fertile, life-giving topsoil we depend on for agriculture. Our journey concludes with a look at the finished product, the soil horizon. A cross-section view of the Earth reveals distinct layers, each representing a stage in this billion-year recipe. From the solid bedrock at the bottom to the life-giving topsoil at the surface, this is the magnificent, patient process that makes life on Earth possible.